This is an assumption question. The conclusion is that the name change would increase recognition and lead to immediate financial benefits for the INS stakeholders. The missing link is between the new name's association with an iconic individual and an iconic event, and the conclusion that the new name would increase recognition and lead to financial benefits to the stakeholders. Our broad expectation from the correct answer choice is that it should strengthen this conclusion through a valid assumption which fills the missing link and must be necessarily true for the argument to hold. Answer choice A. This answer choice says that the stakeholders would be in favor of changing the name. The argument is concerned with whether the name change would increase the recognition and lead to immediate financial benefits. Whether this name change is in favor of the stakeholders, this piece of information makes no suggestion regarding the increased recognition or immediate financial benefits. So this answer choice is just additional detail and has no bearing on the argument. Also, this answer choice does not have to be true for the conclusion to hold. So this answer choice cannot be a valid assumption. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B. This answer choice says that many staffers would be willing to inform guests about the iconic individual and the iconic event. If this is so, it indicates that the name change may lead to some increase in recognition, but this answer choice makes no suggestion regarding any immediate financial benefits. So this answer choice does not strengthen the conclusion. Also, this answer choice does not have to be true for the conclusion to hold. So this answer choice cannot be a valid assumption. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C. This answer choice talks about the IN's ability to implement certain changes because of increase in footfall. However, this answer choice doesn't suggest whether there will be an increase in footfall. In other words, this answer choice doesn't suggest whether the new name would lead to increased recognition and immediate financial benefits because of the footfall. So this answer choice is just additional information and does not strengthen the conclusion. Also, this answer choice cannot be an assumption because it does not have to be true for the conclusion to hold. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D. This answer choice says that the immediate investment required for the change in the name would not surpass, that means would not exceed, the immediate revenue increase because of the name change. If this is so, it indicates that the immediate revenue increase will be greater than the immediate costs. So this way, this answer choice indicates that there will be some immediate financial benefit. So this answer choice strengthens the conclusion. Also, this answer choice has to be true for the conclusion to hold because negating this statement would mean that the immediate investment is as much as or greater than the immediate revenue increase. In that case, the conclusion is weakened. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice E. This answer choice says that other regional businesses have experienced an increase in tourism by renaming themselves. However, it cannot be inferred that the same increase in revenue would take place at this particular inn. Making such an inference the classic GMAT error of extrapolation. That means the idea of reaching a conclusion for one set, that is this particular inn, on the basis of information from another set, that is other businesses. Also, this answer choice does not have to be true for the conclusion to hold. So overall, this answer choice does not strengthen the conclusion. Also, this answer choice does not have to be true for the conclusion to hold. So this answer choice cannot be a valid assumption. So let's eliminate this answer choice. D is the correct answer choice.